kill. In the field, we call them game winners. I step in the booth and speak the truth. I need a raise, nigga. Cause on average size, but the gun he towing way bigger. He let off the chop, it feel like Moses, how they part ways.
So like I'm saying, you know who it is. I'm back with another one, boy. It's your boy, it's the T-Way. Back with another banger. And like I told y'all boys, I got some shit coming for them. I don't know if y'all can hear me for it, but I got some shit coming. If you follow my Instagram, you all be like. But fuck all that, you gotta introduce my boy Dirt.
Earthquake Vlogs,
You know who it is, man.
We out here with it, man.
Check him out. The After Hours, 513.
513, man. Don't get that shit popping for sure. I ain't gonna lie, he got some shit going.
We got some shit today. Yeah, we got some shit today, gang.
Yeah,
He ain't know. He ain't know. But we
Hey.
got some shit for my boy today.
Facts. For sure. Wait, what that shit out there?
Yeah, we here. Oh, and I bought some self-defense rounds so we can try to get some leads for that show. Yeah. Look at that, man. Hey, you see it. You see it. I got them bitches, my girl, hey. Here's the bag, fit in there.
You got me hyped
Nah,
up.
look, come up here. You want to hit?
No.
Are you delusional? Do you suffer from a mental illness?
Oh, as you can see, he clear. My boy got the can of CP9 Elite, the Elite jump with the 18 on.
That's 18?
18. Nah, this 18. This is 20.
This is
20.
15 plus
This is 20. This is right.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, we gotta try this shit.
Put that. So guess what though? We got another empty range, man. We in this shit slowly again.
They got some shit over there.
Damn, we can rapid fire over this motherfucker phone.
No.
What's going on? That motherfucker. Man, nah, man. Ain't wild. Ain't gonna cap. I'm finna go back to the jacket. Think we get hot. I ain't gonna cap. Nephew had a little football game today. Why they get beat 45 nothing? What? Nephew had a football game today and got beat 45 nothing. Beat that.
So next, I'll teach you backyard.
Man, I be in the backyard trying to teach you all type of shit, man. I had these Jesus over there. But nah, fuck it. We finna load some rounds up. Put them down road. We gonna be right back. Yeah. Come get some. Yeah. Big wiener. Yeah. Yeah, y'all see it. Get some of that. There it is. I'm about to take it back to 15 right quick. See what happens. Man, you on the mark. 8%.
It sounds like somebody got a.
It sound like you
Is it a switch?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Top right. Oh, fuck, hold on.
Damn.
I don't know how I did. Yee! I was actually hearing something. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cap. I couldn't eat seafood. I ain't gonna cap too.
Ignore this. That was me. That's him.
My paper is ripped though.
That's
You
true.
know? My shit ripped. Thank you to the side all type of shit.
I didn't mean to rip
You
it.
feel buddy? I ain't got the meat yet. I'm trying to cook that.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home, went to pick him up. Nigga killed my mans, I'm riding with a picture up. Shoot back to the crib, went to pick the switches up. Stole the track hard, got it.
I should beat your ass. No.
Damn, they got kicked out.
Yeah, this bitch on safety.
Man.
You got safety?
My boy Dirt shooting at that good soft green dot with the laser. Trying to tell y'all though, I got this 50 coming for this Canic, man. And I got some tracers.
We're gonna just beep that out because that's supposed to be a surprise.
I know I done said it 1,000 times, but I'm gonna keep saying it to y'all.
Damn, the shell didn't.
This flew back here hit me.
Alright, you motherfuckers popping.
What's going on, Dirt, man? When the next after hour coming up?
Bro, I don't even know. That's what I was gonna say. We gonna have some shit tomorrow. I might have like a little watch party. Motherfuckers
Little watch
that
party.
shit.
Little something like.
Watch that shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody tell me what they think of this shit. Cause I got some unreleased shit. For sure.
We waiting, man. I've been waiting. Ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, you can come to this shit. Come to this shit.
You know we there. We in the after hour spot, Stink? We in the after hour. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. She shooting fail, man. Make sure you got your stance right. Make sure you got your stance right. Like you ready to box or some shit, you know? Yes, sir. Make sure you slow down on that trigger. Make sure you get the slack out first and then, you know. That bit hit you in the head, ain't it? You seen it? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
It is a little close. But I got my grouping.
Back with the cannon, I mean the Glock. If you got a Glock, you gotta have a 30. I mean 29. I'm gonna aim for the bottom low, bottom left. see it. I'm gonna back it up. Dang, that did not look like that, ain't it? That look far as fuck. Who that? He's shitty. Shaq shitty. For real. Next time y'all see Shaq up here, he's shitty.
Oh my gosh.
This is like the laser work from back there. That bitch on the money. Cause I could barely see. I was really just shooting off the laser. I ain't gonna cap. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy.
Yeah.
Don't be that guy. Don't
Damn.
not be that guy. I ain't gonna cap though. We probably finna shoot some of these critical bullets right quick. Just you know, see if they function to the gun. You gotta shoot some of your self-defense rounds just to make sure they work. We ain't gonna shoot too many though. We need these. We just out here jigging, having fun, you know. I shouldn't be too happy. Nephew and them got beat by 45. And I'm gonna keep bringing it up because they've been getting beat by 45 all season. But that's my dog. My boy was out there snapping. 4-5
Hey,
times,
hold on.
all type of shit.
We allowed to
Slow as
shoot.
hell.
We allowed to shoot these numbers now?
Yeah, those are self-defense rounds. Those aren't tracers.
I was putting all in the teaching moment. Nah, shoot out the target so we know what you're doing. Nah, you not. Shoot out the target. Nah, you ain't slick.
You said what?
Shoot out the target.
Switch out the top. Oh, switch out the top. Oh, you want me to
Buddy
do the
ass
show
true for real.
I can get.
Buddy, true for real.
I'm gonna show you. I'll show you how I hit you.
You over with for real.
Yeah, you for sure over with. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. Let me see.
But no, I ain't gonna cap, fellas. I found me an outdoor range. So next time y'all see me, probably gonna be in this motherfucker. Might be in an outdoor range, but it is getting cold, so I'll probably be in there a lot more.
Gotta cock that bitch first.
Yeah, do that, give it a head.
Y'all tell me if my laser on side or not. Y'all tell me.
My shit ringing, bro.
Let me know if that laser on side.
I can't do it at all.
Ain't go cap game. I need to I ain't shot the saw yet. I need to shoot my saw. See what she on.
That's true. I can show you what I have to do though for you.
They all clear. They all walk through. No bullets in none of them. I can't cap. I can't cap. What you doing? What you doing?
I'm just
Oh, you
trying to clean up.
Trying to build up. I see what you mean.
That's my buddy.
I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your phone. What you need to get to? I got your
gonna load it up.
Say that.
So smooth. That second one, I didn't mean to do that. Almost done.
We are really gonna get kicked out now.
In the video? In the video? Damn, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to go. But I'll be back next time, man. If you want to see them tracer rounds and that 50 round drum, the mechanic, we got the 50 round drum for the mechanic, man.
It's hot.
And guess what? Y'all can see it. You just gotta like and subscribe. That's the plug. And don't forget, every Sunday, you got to tune into the after hours. If you don't tune in, then you ain't tuned in.
Get with it or get fucking low.
You heard him.
That's what they say. I don't know.
Not just happened. See, that's a sign that it's time to go.
Never.
How in the fuck? All the way over there.
Never.
Oh my god.
Hey, we out of here, gang. They try to get me up out of here.
We creeping late, all black, tryna see where he live. I know you know about who I am, but never know what I did. Pull a pistol out the hat, but I ain't showing no tricks. I'm in your bushes, tall as hell, you see a stick with a stick. In a whip, like a porno, you see titties and dicks. And we got 10 on all this shit, so you won't know what I'm in. Got a play from out of state, I'm tryna see what he's